Good morning, guys. Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and I still hear the question, we don't understand why going backwards on a recumbent bike is easier than going forward. So I want to provide a possible solution. While this isn't research-based, this is just my recommendation on why I think going backward is easier after a knee replacement than going forward. So in the normal progression of going forward, what's happening is the quadricep muscle is the knee extender. So as I'm coming over the pedal, I'm thinking of pushing away. My quad is firing, my glute is firing. Everything is about pushing away into extension. But we want to get flexion. We want to get this part coming back here. So what happens is in a normal pain response, as I start to bend, my quad wants to push back to resist. But when I'm coming over the top, what's happening is now my hamstring is firing. The hamstring muscle comes in, it attaches to the lower leg bone, the tibia, and it's pulling back into that flexion motion. So coming backward naturally has a little more hamstring activation. Hamstring is what's required to bring the knee back into flexion. Logically, it makes sense. But when we're just looking at this without understanding the anatomy and the muscle mechanics, we don't necessarily think about that fact. So the next time that you're trying to warm up on the bike, you do your pedal rocks. You start with a quarter pedal rock, then maybe you go to 3/4 or 50% pedal rock. And when you're ready, you come back over the top. Usually this is where you'll get your first full revolution. Before then you switch and go into the forward motion. Now there are some bikes that actually have resistance backward and forward. Those are my favorite, but they're not very popular or common. So in most cases, the primary reason why we want to go forward is so we can apply some resistance as your range of motion improves. But I hope that answers the question, guys. Thanks so much. Leave your comments down below and I'll see you on the next